Hello everyone. Now we would be seeing about long run equilibrium of a firm in perfect competition. In the long run, firms are in equilibrium when they have adjusted their plans so as to produce at minimum point in their long run average cost curve, which is tangent to the demand curve. Let's see as to how the long run equilibrium of a particular firm can be established in case of a perfect competition. So we would be drawing a figure over here. So we have y-axis and x-axis, and this is the 0. We have price on y-axis and output on x-axis. So if, for example, at price OP, okay, so here the price is P at price OP, okay, at price OP the firm is making excess profits. Okay, how do we know that the firm is making excess profits? Here AR is equal to MR. Okay, how do we know that it is making excess profits? And we have another curve which we would be saying is P dash. Okay, so let's make a long run average. Okay, long run average cost curve, long run average cost curve. So if we are talking about the short run average cost, so this is the long run average curve. Long run average curve is a combination of short run average curves. Okay, that has to be kept in mind कि long run average curve जो है वो short run average curves का combination है. So this is the short run average cost 1 and the short run marginal cost curve 1 cuts it from below, and the price, the costing is this much. This is the equilibrium point. Now the company makes a profit equivalent to this level. The company is having a profit of equivalent to this level because कहीं ना कहीं पे इतना प्रॉफिट कंपनी को होने ही वाला है. ओके, why? Because the price is this is the price which is decided, and this is the cost which a company is incurring. So as a result, what happens? The company is able to make the profit which is equivalent to the shaded yellow portion. So this is the profit. This is the profit which it is making, and it is having an incentive to build new capacity, and it will that's why move along the long run average cost curve. Long run average cost curve के साथ में move करने लग जाएगा. Now here we are able to draw a long run marginal cost curve as well. This is the level at which in the long run the company will be at equilibrium. Okay, ये point के ऊपर company long run में equilibrium में रहेगा. So what happens is that let's assume that because the firm is trying to have an incentive in order to manufacture, so it is going to move from this point to a lower point in the cost curve. So what happens in this case is that here again a short run average cost curve is being created at this stage. Okay, at this stage जहाँ पे tangent है हमारा, this is the long run marginal cost curve. Okay, now I will be drawing a short run average cost curve. Short run average cost curve आपका कैसे बनेगा? Here it would be like this. This is short run average cost curve 2, and I would be having a marginal short run marginal cost curve as well. So this is the short run marginal cost curve 2. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. When the firm moved downwards, in expectation of increasing its efficiency, we would have a new short-run marginal cost curve as well as new short-run average cost curve. Here the new price which is established is P dash price established हो रहा है. What we find is that as the quantity supplied increases, okay, here what happens, the firm is having excess profits. यहाँ पे profit से इसीलिए नए firms यहाँ पे attract होने लग जाते हैं. As a result, what happens over a period of time, because the supply in the market has increased, supply in the market has increased, so the price moves down from P to P dash. Okay, P to P dash नीचे price move down हो जाता है. As a result what happens is यहाँ पे हमारा नया प्राइस, नया इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश होता है, जहाँ पे लॉन्ग रन इक्विलिब्रियम हमारा क्या है, LAC is equal to LMC is equal to price which is P dash. So the firm adjusts its plant size so as to produce that level of output at which level LAC is minimum. Okay, ये जो level है वो अपना plant size ऐसे adjust करता है so that it can be able to produce at this particular level. At equilibrium, the short run marginal cost is equal to the long run marginal cost, and short run average cost is equal to the long run average cost. Thus the firm is in equilibrium in long run when, so equilibrium of firm in long run. Okay, long run equilibrium of a firm is at a stage when SMC, that is short run marginal cost curve, is equal to long run marginal cost curve is equal to long run average cost curve is equal to short run average cost curve is equal to price and is equal to marginal revenue. So everything has to be equal. When this condition gets satisfied, a situation wherein this condition gets satisfied, a company would be in equilibrium. ये कंडीशन जहाँ पे सेटिस्फाई हो रही है तभी कंपनी इक्विलिब्रियम पे रहेगी लॉन्ग रन में. दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट एट मिनिमम पॉइंट ऑफ LAC, okay, this implies that at this point of LAC, that is at a point at which LAC is the minimum, the plant worked at its optimal capacity. Now how did the plant attain optimal capacity? Because it has undertaken production till that level, till it has increased the production till that level, which is going to give it's the which is going to allow it to use the full capacity of a particular firm. So at minimal capacity or minimum at optimum capacity, the LSC and SAC are going to coincide with each other. यहाँ पे दोनों intersect हो रहे हैं. LAC is making SAC is making a tangent with LAC, and at that point of time there is a long run equilibrium in case of a perfect competition. So we'll be stopping here today for now, and in the next part of the video we will be seeing long run equilibrium of an industry.